And thanks for staying with us, Susan. Good to have you back with us tonight. Good
to be back.
It's great to have you. And the number, however, of positive coronavirus cases in Wisconsin continues to rise.
There are now more than 4,500 cases in the state, an increase of about 150 since new cases since yesterday. 232 people have died from the virus. Dane County health officials have confirmed 382 cases and 20 deaths in the county.
Governor Evers has a plan now to gradually reopen the state, announcing the steps to the Badger Bounce Back Plan today.
Our Amanda Quintana is here with more on the criteria that the state needs, that they need to meet before it can open up again. Amanda?
Governor Evers has said many times getting back to some sense of normalcy will feel more like turning a dial, not flipping a switch. So he released what that dial looks like for Wisconsin. He says in order to bounce back, the state would need 14 days of decline in COVID-19 symptoms reported, a 14-day decline in positive tests, and officials need to make sure hospitals can treat patients and test at-risk health care workers. The state also has to increase PPE and lab capacity so everyone who needs a test can get one, as well as increased contact tracing to track the spread.
In order to move beyond the safer at home phase, we need to meet some important criteria. The metrics we're using are based in large part on the President's guidelines for opening up America again that was issued by the White House on April 16th, 2020.
Just about 15 minutes ago, Republican Speaker Robin Vos and Senate Majority Leader Scott Fitzgerald released a joint statement following the guidelines, saying we continue to call on the governor to retreat from his one-size-fits-all approach and allow the state to safely open up regionally so people can get back to work. Wisconsin is a diverse state. Obviously, the Northwoods can't be treated like Dane and Milwaukee counties. Using the CDC guidelines, it appears portions of the state would be only days away from the first phase of reopening. So for now, from the governor's office, they say we are still under the safer at home order. Then we will come into phase 1, allowing the gathering of 10 people, restaurants to open with social distancing, and schools to resume in person. Then phase 2 and phase 3 will slowly allow more businesses to open and larger gatherings.